Cleaning floors can be a chore. Most mops just push the slop around from one spot to the next, using the same water to both wash and rinse. We've all been there and done that. Professionals call it load spread. But not anymore. Introducing Klok Mop, the smarter, faster, more hygienic way to clean. Klok Mop delivers serious cleaning power, trapping up to 20 times its own weight in water, dirt and grime, penetrating deep down, delivering a better, more hygienic clean each and every time. It's the perfect maintenance system to keep clean hard surfaces like tiles, wood, stone, ceramic and vinyl. And that's not all. Swedish engineered technology keeps clean rinse water separate from all the dirty waste, eliminating the need for those constant clean water exchanges. Professionals hail it as an industry game changer. It's lightweight, cordless and power-free, so quick and easy to use. First, fill the clean water chamber. For a sterile finish, add your favourite sanitizer. To wet the cleaning pad, unclip the handle's locking lever, then move it up and down. This activates the freshwater delivery system. The one-way directional flow valve sends clean water up and out from the freshwater chamber directly onto the cleaning pad. Klok Mop's now ready to go to work. As it glides over the surface, the pad's finely interwoven hooks and loops reach deep down to peel back built-up dirt and grime, then locks the dirty catch into the pad's spiderweb-like weave, eliminating load spread. Whether it's accidental food or drink spills, scuffs or marks, stains or dust, Klok Mop cleans it all. Working hard to remove even the most stubborn dirt and grime, reaching all those hard-to-get-at areas that regular mops just can't get to. When the pad chokes up, it's time to rinse and clean, refreshing the pad so it's ready to use again and again, saving money on replacement pads. To rinse and clean, place the pad onto the system's cleaning brush and push the handle down faster and faster. As the pad starts to spin, the self-cleaning begins. The brush's toughened cleaning bristles reach deep down, loosening and releasing all that trapped dirt and grime. The debris flowing over the system's contoured drainage channel directly into the waste chamber, whilst the freshwater chamber remains pristine clean. To dry the pad, use shorter strokes to increase spin speed and watch the pad dry in no time. And unlike traditional mops, there's no twisting or squeezing handles, no refilling water buckets. Klok Mop cleans smarter, not harder, and will soon become your bathroom favourite too. Scrubbing down walls, removing dirt from tile grout, degreasing slippery floors, and lifting scum from shower screens. Klok Mop delivers a sparkling, hygienic clean without bending, twisting or scrubbing. And Klok Mop's not just your indoor hero. Use it to clean those outdoor decks and steps, car wheel trims and bumpers, boats and vans inside and out. Klok Mop does it all. Save time, save money with Klok Mop, delivering a fresher, more hygienic clean every time. Klok Mop, Swedish for clever.